Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to decorate your home like a minimalist without it feeling cold, empty, or boring. Because minimalism isn't about having nothing, it's about choosing the right things that bring peace, beauty, and simplicity into your space. So let's jump into the tips. Number 1. Start with a clear foundation, but not a blank one. Minimalist homes look calm because they avoid clutter, not personality. So before decorating, start by clearing surfaces and removing anything that doesn't serve a purpose. But here's the secret. Instead of leaving spaces empty, choose 1 or 2 anchoring pieces, like a neutral rug, a textured throw, or a clean-lined side table. This keeps your space grounded without crowding it. Number 2. Choose a soft, neutral color palette. Minimalism doesn't mean everything has to be white. Think warm beige, soft gray, muted green, matte black accents, light wood tones. These colors instantly make your room feel airy and calm while still adding depth. Pro tip: stick to 2 to 3 main colors throughout the room for a cohesive look. Number 3. Add texture instead of extra decor. If you want a minimalist room that still feels cozy, use texture instead of clutter. Try chunky knitted throws, linen curtains, woven baskets, wooden furniture, ceramic vases. Texture brings warmth without adding visual noise. Number 4. Use functional decor. Minimalists love items that do double duty. Think decor that has a purpose. A stylish lamp that gives warm light, a storage bench, a minimalist wall clock, a sleek tray for remotes, indoor plants that clean the air. You're decorating the room and making it useful at the same time. Number 6. Keep surfaces simple. Choose 1 focal point per surface. For example, a single candle on a coffee table, 1 framed art piece on a console, a vase with greenery on a dining table. This keeps things visually calm and avoids that busy, cluttered look. Number 7. Choose larger decor instead of many small items. 1 big framed print looks cleaner than 10 tiny wall pieces. A large plant is better than 5 small ones scattered around. Minimalism favors simple, bold, intentional choices. Number 8. Bring life with plants. Plants are minimalism's best friend. They add color, calmness, and life without feeling like decor clutter. Stick to simple planters and low-maintenance plants, like snake plant, monstera, pothos, peace lily. And that's how you decorate your home like a minimalist without it feeling empty. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which room in your home are you decorating next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.